Morning, YouTube. Just want to kind of give a in-cab kind of tour, show you all the controls and gadgets in this thing. I'll start up here with the dash. It's got all our instruments and stuff on it. As you know, the parking brake's on. This is the hours that's on it. Lets you know what gear you're in, and it's in park. Start up here first. This is basically all our windshield wiper controls, your front windshield, your two doors, and then your rear window. This Dozier is a 2015 model. We got it in August the 4th of 2015, so it's a year old. It come equipped with sunshades. It's got them on both doors and on the front windshield and in the back. Start over here with your steering control, which will be your left hand. Basically, if you want to go left with a Dozier, you push it away from you. If you want to go right, you pull it towards you. It has a cruise control button, and it has your gear select if you want to go faster, slower. All you do is just push it with your thumb. Then it has your forward, neutral, and reverse. Has your parking brake right here, and I'll show you. Let me stop. I'll show you. And turn left, turn right, and over here on your right, which is your blade control. It's equipped with a 4-way blade, which is basically you're up, you're down, you tilt right, you tilt left. Over here, that's your horn. Then you have, which is your throttle select. It'd be basically your rabbit, which is turns it wide open, and then press it down for lower. This one here is your lights. You can press it and it turns every light on that's on the outside. This is your diesel exhaust fluid if it's burning off, or if you don't want it to burn off and hit it. This is your hydraulic lock. You can press it and lock it. It keeps you from operating any hydraulics. Of course, there's the key. Oh yeah, this is your brake, and that's your decelerator. And this Dozier is equipped with a touchscreen computer in it. See if I can get a better view. Shows my engine coolant temp, my def level, transmission oil temp, and a fuel level. And what's pretty neat about this one is it's all touchscreen. This here basically shows all your gears. You can select it into 3-speed, or let me see, select it to 6. You can select how fast you want it going forward and reverse. That's a bi-directional function on it. Basically, if you're got it in automatic downshift, which I do, if you're going backwards, if it's pulling too much of a load, it'll automatically downshift. Let me go back out and show you. Here's your lights. You can press it, then you can automatically, you can press this and turn every one of them on at one time, or you can individually press each one to turn on. Basically all you do is press it to turn them off. Go back. This here is your automatic downshift. What that means is if you're pushing and you get too much of a load, it'll automatically downshift the transmission into a lower gear to help you push better. This is your reverse fan, and it'll only reverse itself if you're sitting still or if you're going in reverse. If you're pushing forward, it will not reverse. And they automatically have this one set. I think it's every 30 minutes it automatically reverses the fan, which helps keep the radiator blowed out, keeps all the fines out, and it clean your outside screens. And let's see, this here's here's your computer control, which basically sets your screen brightness, language, change your measurement units into either metric or regular standard, and software info. The next is the dozer itself, and it brings up the dozer settings or machine settings. Click it, and then it brings up your powertrain and then your implement or your blade. You can press your powertrain, and then of course that's that automatic downshift. You can set it when you're pushing, if you want it to be when you're pushing, if the load gets real high real quick. If you get like a blade full, if you want it to go ahead and automatically downshift, you can set it to that, or medium or low, or you can turn it off. But I usually keep it on medium, and it helps out a good bit. So we go back now. You can go to your implement, which shows your blade response, your blade float, and your quick drop. The blade response is it's a standard setting, a fine, and a fast. I like a fast because I like to be able to control it quicker. It's easier, like grading and leveling out stuff. Blade float is basically just when you blade float, if you push the blade control all the way down, it's going to bring that up, and it lets you know you're in blade float mode. And when you're back dragging, the blade will just float along with the contour. And quick drop, you can basically all it is you can just drop your blade real quick or not. Me, I don't like it because on our other D9T, you can turn it off or on, but it was on, and one day one of the other operators dropped the blade real quick and broke the front cylinder. So I kind of like to keep it turned off. And of course, then you go back out to the main menu, you go to the perimeters, you can look at the machine itself. It'll tell you everything it's doing, fuel level, voltage. Go to the engine, it'll tell you everything the engine's doing, what RPMs is at. Then you can go to your powertrain watch, stuff like that. I'm gonna go all the way back out again. Go to this one. This is your lifetime. It basically tells you your fuel consumption, the maximum fuel, your fuel idle, your idle time, the travel is how far it's traveled in forward or reverse. The average fuel consumption of this one is 8 gallons an hour. Then here's some more settings. You can do a diagnostic on it. Basically, if we have an alarm go off, it'll give a code and tell you what's going on with it. Stuff like that. So you got a service mode, ECM summary, and this one here, that's your person. You can set up a profile with all your settings like you like them, and basically you can just set it. You can see there's my name, and then there's the other two operators. You could set them. All of us operators, we all have different settings. I normally push in second gear going forward, second gear going reverse. The other operator, she will operate and pushing in first basically, and then reverse second. There's a horn, 12-volt plug-in, auxiliary cord adapter. Back here behind the seat, don't know if y'all can see it or not. It is a plug-in. Also another 12-volt plug-in. That's a plug-in right there for a cat to bring their computer and plug it up to this dozer and do whatever they want to do to it. Basically. This one's equipped with a AFX fire suppression system, and what I mean by that is it's got 2 tanks on the back that has your dry chemical. And this dozer, if you have a fire in here and you don't know it, it'll send an alarm, it'll go off. All we have to do is pull the pin, press it, and there's that little canister of nitrogen will send the dry chemical to the front, and it sprays it out. Basically, hopefully, sometimes they get it all out, sometimes it won't. Also on the back, if you're outside the dozer and it catches fire, it's got another one of these controls here outside that can do it. Both of these side windows, they slide open. They only slide open about 8 or 10 inches. But that's basically pretty much it. Oh yeah, the seat, this air ride seat, heated and air conditioned. All air up and down and the lumbar support, which is pretty nice. Makes it pretty easy for a long day, long 12-hour day in this thing. But that's just a tour of the cab. I just want to show you, and thanks for watching.